There are many social, environmental, and livelihood issues in the society, and we focus on the issues which need immediate attention. We are Spark, Society for People's Action, Reconciliation, and Knowledge. Spark is a non-profit, non-governmental organization whose broader objectives are igniting humanity, nurturing sensitivity, creating awareness, uniting people, reforming society, and transforming India. Spark is working towards establishing a strong platform for mobilizing people, driving their strength, and channelizing their efforts for achieving sustainable growth and transformation of society. We believe in empowering people rather than aiding them. Frequent droughts in arid and semi-arid regions of Maharashtra is a major concern. Depletion in groundwater and reduced water table creates critical problems of drinking water, irrigation in the villages. To counter this issue, Spark is executing Participatory Watershed Development Program in the tribal villages since 2016. It is based on Manrega model implemented by private funding. Geographical surveys and rainfall measurement are conducted for accurate planning of works. Different water conservation techniques such as CCT, loose boulder checks, percolation tanks and farm ponds, revival of wells, desilting small dams are implemented according to the watershed principles with villagers' participation. Villagers get paid for the work they do. It helps in generating employment and reducing migration to cities, especially during the summers and also school dropout of children. So far, Spark has worked in 7 tribal villages in 4 districts of Maharashtra, namely Nashik, Palghar, Buldhana and Amravati. Spark has managed to collectively conserve approximately 10 crore liters of water. This is not charity. This is an opportunity to serve the deprived classes. Don't miss it. Come and join us to empower the villages who feed us. Join the movement. All the donations are tax exempted under 80G of Income Tax Act.